Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Purple color, blue color, violet color, yellow color, red color, light green color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, black color, brown color and pink color. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D. Let's trace. A. A for apple. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B. B for ball. Kids, we are writing letter A. Now kids, we are writing letter B. Kids, now we are pressing letter C. C for cat. Kids, we traced letter D. D for duck. Kids, we will trace C. Now kids, we are writing letter D. Kids, we are tracing letter E. E for eagle. Now kids, we are tracing letter F. F. F for fish. Kids, now we are writing letter E. This is letter F. Now kids, we are tracing letter G. G for goat. This is letter H. H for horse. Letter G. Now kids, we are tracing letter H. Kids, this is letter I. I for ice cream. This is letter J. J for juice. Kids, this is letter I. Letter J. This is letter K. K for kangaroo. This is letter L. L for lion. Kids, we are tracing letter K. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.